What's going on? This is Coach Kev. You made it to the other side. At the end of this video, get back with the person that invited you so you can get started. The name of this company is called Freedom Path. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use this program to help you dispute negative items on your credit report, like late payment, charge off, collections, student loans, repos, evictions, even inquiries can get removed off your credit report. The name of the service is called Freedom Wealth. It's a comprehensive service that have multiple components to it. One is called the ScorePath, which I will be going over in detail right now. You have the WealthPath, you have the LifePath, and the BizPath for entrepreneurs. But I know what you need. You just need to work on your personal credit. Before I get there, let's get into the owners. These are the co-founders and owners of the company, Mr. Kevin Carroll, Mr. Ryan Ragland. The company has been around since 2022. This is a debt-free company. We have positive reviews on Trustpilot, Google, and an A+ rating on the Better Business Bureau. Now, the main event is this score path, okay? This will allow you to be able to monitor everything that's on your credit report. Now, I'm not sure if you're like I used to be. I used to check my credit on Credit Karma. Credit Karma only shows you what's on Equifax and TransUnion. It doesn't show you what's on your Experian account. This program will show you what's on all three credit bureaus at the same time. And you'll be able to dispute these negative items on your credit report. But remember, you won't be the one writing the letters. We have AI technology because we have a DIY approach, right? Where you don't have to pay thousands of dollars to fix your credit, right? Somebody off of Instagram or YouTube, you can literally do it with a few clicks of a button and your letters will be in the mail without you leaving your house. It also comes with a credit attorney. And just a friendly reminder, if you're renting and you're not reporting your rent, get back with the person that sent you this video so they can show you how to report your rent to help you boost your credit score even more. It doesn't come with this program, but this is a reminder that you can do that if you didn't know. If you look at this, this is an example on the back end of one of my clients. What do you see? Well, you can actually see in pink a lot of these, if not all of these, are inquiries. And if you really look closely, you can tell this person is looking for a car. That means they're going to different car dealerships, running their credit, but it's hurting their score. And I don't know if you're doing this, but if you are, you definitely want to stop that. These also can be disputed and deleted off an individual's credit. If you look to the far left, there's a huge value there. It's not just fixing your credit. There's so much things you can gain from this program, even though I know you're just here to fix your credit. But remember, you're going to get a lot more than just helping you fix your credit at the end of the day. Now, when your letters are sent out, you have to give the credit bureaus at least 45 days to complete their investigation. And when I mean credit bureaus, that's Equifax, that's TransUnion, and Experian, because we're leveraging a law. It's called the Fair Credit Reporting Act, which when your letters are sent out, you have to give them 45 days by law to look at everything to see if they need to delete the items off your credit report and give you an update. All right. So remember, when your letter's going out, give them a little bit of time to respond. Now, here's an example of a client who got on the program April 1st of 2025. And as you can see, their credit score went up. Just on their Experian account, it went up 94 points. On their TransUnion, on their Equifax, around 30 points or so. But I don't know what's on your credit report. I don't know if you have tons of negative items. And it doesn't matter if you have one, it doesn't matter if you have eight, or if you have 80 negative items. All these items can be disputed in less than 10 minutes and it can be in the mail in no time. All right. Now, I want you to realize you not only will have a chance to improve your personal credit with this program, but there's a wealth path that teaches you the importance of having a will, a trust, a power of attorney. You even have a trust for your pet. I don't know if you have any furry family members like I do, but you can leverage this for your pet as well. And believe it or not, there's so many successful people that you've heard of that didn't have a will before they passed away. Did you know Prince didn't have a will? What about Aretha Franklin? And for those of you that know about hip hop, DMX didn't have a will. So you don't want to be in a situation where you pass away and you don't have these tools in place to help your family. Look, you want to leave a will, not a bill, right? Let's move to the next thing. Life path. If you want to save, monitor your credit, and monitor your entire identity, you can leverage it to this path. The biz path. I love this because so many people would love to learn how to incorporate themselves. They would love to learn how to formulate their own business, maybe a LLC, maybe a nonprofit, maybe an incorporation. Maybe you want to learn how to build business credit and you don't know where to start. You need a step-by-step approach. All of these tools will point you in the right direction. Now, you're looking at this and you may be thinking, ScorePath, WealthPath, man, it has all these components. I'm just trying to fix my credit, right? It's not $1,500. It's not $2,000. It's not $500. It's just $189 to get started. You can literally send your letters out right now. Okay. And don't worry, you're not writing any letters. The AI system will do all the heavy lifting. When you get back with the person that invited you, they'll go over how to set everything up. And all you need to do is follow the simple steps. Now, remember, you need to have good credit. So get back with the person that invited you to watch this video, and I'll see you on the other side.